He lost his job. That car is his. That is his car. We are his sons. I like his music. That's his house. Tom lost his job. He is at his desk. He keeps his word. His eyes are blue. His wife is French. He has his own room. He reached his goal. He shined his shoes. He stuck to his job. He took off his hat. His dream came true. His shoes are brown. His speech moved us. I admire his talent. Tom lay on his back. He achieved his goal. He attained his goal. He found his parents. He is doing his work. He is now on his own. His mother was right. He hurt his left hand. His story sounds true. I acted on his advice. She accepted his gift. She ironed his shirts. She refused his offer. She returned his kiss. Tom scrubbed his feet. He admitted his defeat. He has left his family. I agreed with his plan. I attended his funeral. Is his father a doctor? Did I hurt his feelings? Don't you know his name? He abandoned his family. He abuses his authority. He doesn't look his age. He finally got his wish. He got through his work. He neglected his duties. He stuck to his promise. He will visit his uncle. Let's drop by his house. Why did he quit his job? He admitted his mistakes. He looks like his father. He looks old for his age. He lost his movie ticket. He put his room in order. He took off his overcoat. He was cleaning his room. His family is very large. His father calls him Tom. I don't know his address. My father is in his room. My uncle gave me his car. She refused his proposal. The boy adjusted his cap. Was he lying on his back? He extended his right arm. He has a house of his own. His opinions carry weight. His smile put her at ease. I accepted his invitation. I can't remember his name. I can't think of his name. I couldn't find his house. I easily found his office. I forgot his phone number. She handed him his jacket. The soldier gave his name. Tom bought his truck used. Few students knew his name. He bought his son a camera. He invited me to his house. He is afraid of his father. He is studying at his desk. He loses his temper easily. He started washing his car. His joy showed on his face. I really trust his ability. She helped him tie his tie. We accepted his invitation. He accomplished his mission. He flew a kite with his son. He made up his mind quickly. His advice didn't help much. I'm looking over his report. My father is in his 50s. My son is small for his age. My uncle gave his car to me. Playing tennis is his hobby. She gave him his first kiss. She made him clean his room. There is a hole in his sock. Those were his actual words. Why don't we ask his advice? You can't count on his help. He hit his head on the shelf. He is taller than his father. He lost his way in the woods. He resembles his grandfather. He stuck the book in his bag. He stuck with his own theory. He took out his handkerchief. His opinion was not accepted. His wish is to go to America. I added his name to the list. I am doubtful of his success. I am familiar with his music. I may have hurt his feelings. I was impressed by his music. Ken couldn't recall his name. She thanked him for his help. Should I reply to his letter? Tom concentrated on his work. Tom is as tall as his father. Tony liked his job very much. What's his most recent novel? He asked his friends for help. He hurt his hand when he fell. He hurt his knee when he fell. He is lying through his teeth. He's always changing his mind. His advice didn't help at all. His car collided with a train. His grandmother looks healthy. His house is across from mine. His wife is one of my friends. I hear that he sold his house. I think his life is in danger. It was his job to gather eggs. She married him for his money. She reminds him of his mother. The hotel is run by his uncle. Tom is taller than his mother. Tom went back to his hometown. We received word of his death. He can scarcely write his name. He got into his car in a hurry. He had his socks on inside out. He ignored his father's advice. He is acting on his own behalf. He is afraid of his own shadow. He made up his mind right away. He walks his dog every morning. He was accompanied by his wife. He was deserted by his friends. He's just like his grandfather. He's thrilled with his new job. His house is not far from here. His new movie is disappointing. His new novel is worth reading. I asked Tom about his new book. I helped him with his homework. Mike runs fastest in his class. She advised him save his money. She took him for all his money. Tom couldn't control his anger. We skipped his turn on purpose. Are you for or against his idea? He closely resembles his father. He is afraid of his grandfather. He is not as tall as his father. He likes to cook for his family. He made up his mind to go there. He put his hand to his forehead. He remained single all his life. He wiped the sweat off his face. His horse jumped over the fence. I can't understand his feelings. I'm satisfied with his progress. She praised him for his honesty. She saw him driving his new car. The car he's driving is not his. Tom is the tallest in his class. We can see his house over there. He advertised his house for sale. He devoted his life to his study. He has his hair cut once a month. He is uncertain about his future. He is very stingy with his money. He listened to music in his room. He lost his ticket for the movie. He made up his mind to marry her. He owes his success to good luck. He repaired his watch by himself. He scraped the mud off his boots. He stuck his knife into the tree. He told me the story of his life. He took a coin out of his pocket. He turned to his friend for help.